Hi, little puppies. If your camper's got these regular old just flip style locks, I'm going to show you how to change to some magnetic that we've got off Amazon. But these here aren't as strong and made of plastic, easy to break. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out, give you all an idea of how they go on. So some of the supplies you need, some you really don't. But you're gonna need a ratchet, and we've got a. See if I can focus in on that. You can see it. Well, it's a 7mm swivel socket. You don't need a swivel, but you need a socket. A couple of various screwdrivers. Drill would be nice. You're gonna need some sealant because I'm gonna scrape the others off, and then of course I've got a cut-off wheel just to smooth out some of the aluminum once we drill the hole, make it nice and flush. So this is not necessary, but this is some of the things you may need. I know there's a lot of noise out there because of course we're parked right by the road right now, but it's pretty simple to get them off. You can take your ratchet, get your bolts out. Which honestly, they're not very tight from the factory. Considering we just picked this up last month, it's a 2022 Springdale 335BH. Might do a walk around of it later on another video. And then close it, just kind of rest it, and it pops right off. I'm just going to scrape this silicone off a little bit. And now since these are protruding a little bit and I want that to sit a little bit more flush, I'm going to take this cutoff wheel. Basically, I'm just going to kind of test fit this right here. And then bring this up. Just kind of get an idea where this is gonna lay right there. Give a mark just somewhere in the middle. Then I know where to put it on here. Seal it here. It doesn't take much because it's going to squirt out. You go to put this down. That is about as level as I can. So hopefully you can see over here. Just drill the new hole. Alright, so instead of getting a drill bit, well, mainly because I broke all my small size drill bits, I'm going to take screws that come with it. And drop it. Alright, ready? Take two. Hey, that'll be nice. Down there. Puppies. Dogs. So, take two. I'll take this screw. Because it's just aluminum, it starts it pretty well. Now, take out the tripod. Because it's kind of got that raised edge, I'm gonna do the same thing that I did up here and just take that cutoff wheel and just kind of smooth it. And see, like I said before, it is not necessarily the right tool for the job, but it was the tool that was on the grinder. So I can use a fat roll to hold this up without, cutting my finger off. Not as fat as I used to be. Perfect. And yeah, it scarred it up, but that's going to be covered with silicone anyway. So, not really a huge deal. And we're going to do some this. Like I said, don't need a whole lot, because it is going to smush out once you set this down. Right. I'm just going to get these started in my holes. All right. Pretty simple. I'm just going to smooth this side out. Not too worried about this side because it made a nice little spot. All right, and then now here is kind of my only issue. This is the outdoor kitchen. It is quite a large door. Scared the shit out of the dog. It's quite a large door, so it holds it. But it doesn't take much to knock it down. So my thought is to put another one over here. Not sure. Now see, unlike this side, takes a little bit more force to knock it down. So overall, I think I'm gonna be pleased with this small change. It may seem just kind of small or unnecessary, you know. Well, that was pretty good, but I like it.